Usha's live streaming, and today we're going to introduce you an interior design app. It's a very functional app, so I hope you will enjoy our live stream today. And first of all, I want you to subscribe our YouTube account, and if it's okay, please share our link to all your social media platform, and also stay in the room and later I will introduce you how to demonstrate I will demonstrate you how to use the app to make perfect designs. Okay, so for all the new audience here, you might not know what Joyplan is. In fact, like I said, it's a interior design app. Uh, and I know maybe some of you guys are like working on this industry already use some of these apps like Planner 5D and Home Planner, and I've tried to use them too. But believe me, I'm not a professional designer and I use them all. I tried them all before I do the live streaming. It's completely different. Like those apps, they're good, but for our app, we're the best of the best. And trust me, like don't stay in our room. Then later you will see how amazing our app is. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe our YouTube account and share our link to all your social media platform, and also you can recommend us to all your friends, and that would be nice. Okay. So, and I've noticed that a lot of like interior designers and people who work in this industry, like renovation company, real estate, you guys always carry a lot of things, right? I know like interior design is not easy, but why we designed this app is for people like you to make your life and make your work easier. Okay, so with Joyplan, like you no longer need those measuring tape and all the floor lists and the drawing the sketching tools and a bag of like tools. You don't need them anymore. You all you need just your phone. That is fine. Cause or if you have an iPad, it's okay. Because Joyplan, the app, supports you access phone, um, iPad tablets, or your computer, like three devices. And also, the most amazing part is you can use this account to access phone and the computer at the same time. So while you are sending somebody to measure in the house, and the data is update immediately at the computer device. So like maybe you just sit on the your office on your table and you turn on your computer and all the data was like ta-da, just there. So you can just edit them and start your design. And also the most amazing part is like I've noticed that a lot of you guys like use the measuring tape and all the sketch. Sometimes the sketch is not perfect and people misunderstood it, and also the data is not correct. With Joyplan, it's nothing to worry about it. Like the app just did everything for you. Like all you need to do is just use our little measuring machine and turn on it and connect with the Bluetooth in the app. So you can just D D and then get all the data. Just put the machine like at the surface and then start it and connect the Bluetooth, so the data will be updated in the, any platform you're using immediately. So you don't need to worry about matching data anymore. What if the numbers goes wrong? And the amazing part is you no longer need to hire somebody to do it for you. I've noticed like a lot of company are using a lot of money on like hiring people, like laboring some people, like go to do some like detailed stuff with Joyplan. You can just cut this part. You don't need them anymore. Like how much you pay for an employee like a month, it's enough to pay for this app for a year. Think about it, how much it will save you. So, if you're interested in our live streaming, please subscribe our YouTube account and follow our social media account. With you can just search Joyplan, and we are on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, and also Twitter and Facebook. Just search Joyplan, okay, and follow us. Don't miss don't miss any of our live streaming, okay. Stay in our room and also share our link to all your social media platform, and don't miss any of our live streaming show. And if you have any friends that are working in the same industry, interior design, renovation company, or real estate, or just housewives, or you just want to like DIY everything for your like by yourself, you can follow us and use our account, okay. We also have a monthly account for the new members. So if you're just housewife, or like or a guy that who wants to like renovate your new house, or just buy the new house for your family, just create your house with us, okay. It's very cheap for monthly, and we even have a 7 days like free trial if you contact me through our YouTube live streaming by now. So like I only have like an hour for to do this live streaming. So please don't miss our live streaming, and please don't feel hesitate to comment anything you want to know about this app. Or if you want to see like how do I demonstrate any details you want, for example like ceilings, grounding, and wall like patching and whatever. If you want to see it, just leave comments at the comment box, and I will see who leave like the same comments the most. I will choose that one as the beginning one, okay. So uh, again, please don't feel hesitate to subscribe our YouTube account and share our link to your social media platform. And I'm gonna start in a minute, okay. And we've just talked about like how much work that for all these people who work in this industry, right? And I know like this is really difficult for interior designers to design like certain things, and so many, and also the customers, like sometimes you spend a lot of time to design something, but the customers like always not like dissatisfied with your design or some certain details, then you have to change again, right? But with Joyplan, it's like it only take you like 5 seconds to make a change, and you can just show it to your customer like vividly, so the customer can see through this app how his house could be. Or you can just give him the app, and like if he's not satisfied with the furnishing, okay, which one, and you can just turn on our material system. There are a bunch of a couch, just let him pick the one that he like. Or if he's not satisfied with the toweling, okay, cool, turn on the material system and let him choose the one he likes, and then he will see why your choice is right. Because like most of us, we might have good taste, but we don't know how to match, and this is interior designer's job, right? You guys always know what's the best in the whole house. You guys see the house as a whole perspective, so it's different. So if you want to like have a easier communication with your customers, why don't you just use our app and show it to your customer, and then they will immediately realize you're the right. you're the right one. Or if they still dissatisfied with some details, just change it with their mind. Then you can like just do it in 5 seconds. It's so easy. And how much time it took you if you like if you do it without our app, probably a day. Then you have change. Like I know how annoying it is to like change the designs all the time, although that I'm not the interior designers. And also like I've introduced so many things, good things about our app. And maybe some of you guys were wondering, okay, so this app is so functional, so probably it is difficult to learn how to use it. No, it's way easier than all the other interior design app I've ever used. Like I'm not an interior designer, but before I start the live streaming, because I have to do certain like research, right? Because I want to tell you guys like how good our app is. So I have to do some certain researches. So I download all the interior design app and I tried them all. Trust me, this is the best one. And I'm not just bugging about this because I'm going to show you later. So please stay in our room and leave the comments at the comment box about what you want to know about our app, or just stay in the room and see if it's just like what I said, like how easy it could be, okay? Just stay in our room and subscribe our YouTube account and share our link to your every social media platform, or share and or recommend us to your friends who work in the same industry. Okay, just let them know us. It is okay if you don't want to use it today, or you don't want to buy it today. It is okay. Just get to know us. Okay, that's the meaning that we're doing the live streaming. I want to show like all the customers like how good and how efficient that our app is. Okay, so it is totally okay if you just come into the live streaming and get to know us. It is totally okay. And uh, I will not forget to mention about it, because any one of you, if you're interested on our app, please leave the comments at the comment box, because for today's live streaming we have a special for you. Anyone who wants to try this app through our live streaming will get a 7 days free trial account through our live streaming. So please don't feel hesitate to leave any comments, okay? Okay, so I'm going to start it. Okay, so I'm gonna adjust the camera. Okay, so I'll show you uh the main page of this app. When you turn on this app, there were two sections on the app. Okay, so first one is plant list and the other one is toolbox. But mostly we use the plant list the most, so that's clicking. And as you can see, we have a lot of examples here already. But today, I'm going to show you how to do the sketching first. So we will create a new one. And when you click new, and there will be 3 sections here. The first one is draw. Like when you go to a house just measuring by yourself, you can use draw, and also our measuring machine. So you don't need to bring the measuring tape anymore, and the data won't be wrong with this machine. It's automatically uploaded to your device, okay? Or you can just use an intelligent recognition, or you can just copy. What is copy? If your customer has the plan floor of this house, just ask them for the plan floor's picture, and you can just put it in, and as you can see, the square is 900 millimeters times 900 millimeters. So put it within the place. Look, the door is 900
millimeters. So you can just place it here and confirm. See, the picture is right here, and you can start it. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to draw it. So as you can see, there's a cursor right here, right? And if you don't want the cursor to be in the middle, double click the right lower corner. There's an orange icon. Just double click, okay? Then you can, like, every time you want to put it in a certain place you want, just drag the cursor. Okay, I want to put it here. Then just draw a random wall. And as you can see, there are like two little cartoon icons here, right? So this is how do you how do you decide which side of the wall is interior wall? For example, I want this side to be the red one is where the interior wall is, and I want this one to be the interior side. So I can click the little cartoon icon. If I click this one, it will go to this direction. Okay, then keep going, and as you can see, there's a little orange icon says CL. It means close. So let's click the close one and see what will happen. When you click the close one, it will automatically just close it as a square. So see how convenient it is. You don't even need to draw 4 lines. You just need to draw one. You just need to draw 2 and 2.5. Then it can automatically be as the shape of the house. Like if it's a square or rectangle. Okay. So if you're not satisfied with it, if you accidentally touch the close, you can just see there is an undo icon. You can just undo them. Yeah. So as the wall, you can see like it's 42 and 20, right? If it's not the length of my wall, I can just click the data and see there's there are like wall length, wall thickness, and attribute here. You can add it. Okay. For example, if it's 5,000, I can just change it to 5,000, and the wall thickness I want it to be 150. Now see, it is right here already. Okay. Just click the data and change everything. Okay. Let's make it 7,000. Wall thickness is 200, and you can even check, like click select the wall, and you can even delete it, or you can delete it through there's a bar at the right upper corner. You can delete it here. Okay. And you can also see through this, like there's a data shows how long the wall is and the angle of the wall. So when we speak about angles, some of you guys might ask, what if my corner angle is not 90 degree? What should I do with your app? Like your turns out your app can only do the square or rectangle. No, of course we can do multiple things. Like I said, you have no idea how amazing this app is. So let me just show you how amazing it is, okay? Okay, so if your wall is not like for the 90 degrees, there is a section here at the right upper corner. Then you can just turn on this diagonal lines drawn, turn on it, and then drag the cursor, draw it, and if you know the angle, just click the data here and change, let's just say 65. Look at here how easy it is, and you can even have a triangle room. How amazing it is, right? But normally I would suggest you to turn off this, because most of the house, like most of the design apartments, they are for square or rectangle. If you have like certain situation that is not for 90 degrees, you just turn on this. Okay, it is very easy. Okay, now let's just draw a random one. Okay, for 7,150. For this one, I want to make it a one 100. Okay, I will just close it. See, and here like the wall are not the same. You can just click them here. Okay, if you didn't see clear, click, select the wall and choose edit. I want it to be 150, 100. And also, you can also change it through like there that's the room we have here, right? And also you can also change it through the door you added on this wall or the window you added on this wall. Let me show you how. Like we can add the accessory at this part, so you can see whatever you want: doors, double doors, sliding doors, door horror, some other pass or shutter doors or arcade door or window, whatever kinds of window you want. We even have bin cube, electrical, waterway, landmark, wall, and landmark wall and stairs, and others and remark. And probably some of you guys were wondering, why do I need stairs? Right? Why do you need stairs? Because unlike the other app can just do one floor, like what if you're doing like the whole house in like interior design, then you can only do one floor. Because for our app it's totally different, we can add floors. Look at this. One, two, three, whatever, how many floors you wanted, just add them. Okay, and let's see how it looks like. Show the full layer. Look, I can see it in the 3D mode, all by all three layers. How incredible it is, right? Okay, now what were we talking about? Changing the wall thickness by adding the windows and doors, right? Okay, so that's why we put the stairs here, stairs options here, so you can choose whatever stairs you want. Okay, now let's do the changing wall thickness part. Okay, I will put a door here. Okay, now see, if the door, like the direction, like a lot of options here, you can edit it or just lock it on the wall, because sometimes you will accidentally change, like remove, like move it like after everything is settled, you might accidentally like move it. So you can just lock it so it was stuck in there forever, unless you unlock it. It could be unlockable. Now if it's the direction is not what you want, just use the mirror, change it to the direction you want. Okay, you can open the door by this side. Yeah, okay, or you can use the control. Like this is for some certain things you need to adjust in a very minimum change, then you can use this. Okay, or you can also edit by here. See. Okay, now that's I want a wider one, so I will change the length to 1,000. And see, the width is 150 according to the wall, right? Now that's changed to 200. And the wall is automatically changed to 200 immediately. And I want a taller one, so let's make it 2200. And height above the ground is move it up, but we don't need to move it up for a door. And margin one is the distance from this side to the wall, now to the door. Let's change it to 1500. And okay. You see, now the wall's thickness, let's check it. How thick it is. See, 200. You can change it through adding the windows and the doors, all the accessory you want, right? Okay, also you can click the middle part and you see the 4 squares at the corner. What are they for? You can add beam, like sure to add. Here you can adjust it. Let's make it 300. Okay, see? So for this one, I suggest you use the controller because it will be easier for you to get attached with the wall. Look at it, how easy it is. And just add it at the same. Okay, so for the door, is it like only addable for the length, width, height, all of this? That that is not enough. We think ahead of you. Look at here, change the middle icon of like there's a change icon, right? You can change it to different door and see how many options we have here. Like different kinds of doors, right? It has, I think basically every door is like I'm okay. Apparently, I'm not a manufacturer of like doing doors, but like it seems to me like it's everything. Okay, now let's just pick the one we like here. Do we really like this one? Okay. Maybe use the darker one. No. Okay, this one's fine. I want the classic one and arrogant one. Okay, so you can here, but look at here. It's just for single door. What does it mean? Which means you have single door, double door, sliding door, son and mother, and door hole and pass. You can choose like different style of it. Look how amazing it is, right? And also, if you're not satisfied with it, look at here. There's a public section, which means you can update whatever doors you want. If it's not in the material system, you can upload whatever kinds of door you want at your own system. There's a public system is provide for us, okay? And so this is just for doors. And we can also change the material by click this icon. You can change the door colors. See? And you can change the metal colors. So all the door size, like all the door size is addable, or the door style is addable, or the materials is changeable. Think about it, how amazing it is. That's why I wanted to suggest you guys to use this app because it is really amazing for you guys to use this app. Like compared to the other apps. Okay, so see, it happens. I just accidentally attached the door and it moved to in like other places. It's not there anymore, so I have to add it again. So if you don't want that happen to your designs, like I say, just log it. Then let's check, can we move it again? No. But if you want to move it, you can just unlock it, right? Okay, now let's see if all the editing things can happen on the Windows too. Let's choose a window. I'll choose this one. Let's put it here. Okay, just drag the window. See, it happens again, right? Okay, you can change through the 2D mode by attach the data here. Or you can just select the window and go to the 3D mode and change to the 3D mode. And the width is through the wall thickness is 100 for this wall. So the same is 100 thick for the window. And let's change the height here. 2000. You see, it is a little bit too over. So that's why I suggest you to design it in a 3D mode, edit it in a 3D mode, because it's clearly for you to see like how unreasonable your design is sometimes. Because when you're like, I don't know if it happens to designers, but for me, like normal people like us, we won't consider about it. So if you are designing, please change it to 3D mode. It's more like it will be easier for you to recognize that there are some mistakes on it. Okay, Melody 1, can you show a ceiling design? Okay, we will do it later. Okay, honey, wait a second. Then we can change the height above the ground. Yeah, it is helpful. Thank you, Smith Judy, and thank you for staying in our room. And if there's anything you want to know, please don't be hesitate to leave comments at the comment box. Or if you want to see how to create a ceiling design, please leave your comments at the comment box, and we will do it immediately. Okay. So as you can see, we can just edit it through this. Okay. Yeah. Or you can add it lower. Let's make it 500. Yeah. So ta-da, the window, here it is. And like the doors, the windows are changeable, and there are also so many sections you can choose, and the materials are also changeable. Okay, now for Melody 1, we decided to make the ceiling immediately. Oh, it happened again. Let's lock it. Okay, so how to make a ceiling? It's a good question. Let's see how to make a ceiling. Okay, so first you click the lower left upper corner. There's a green icon for measuring, right? When you click it, there will be three little different icons here. One is for mapping, which is the sketching part, and then hard load, which means interior finish, and there's a soft operation, which means the furnishing. Okay, so let's change it to the interior finish, and click select the area, and as you can see, there's a little bar show appeared at the right upper corner. Just click the ceiling editing and click model, and there will be three cursors right here: the line, the circular, and the square. And I will show you like how to use them. See, then you can like just for the line one, you can just divide them for dividing, and you can offset. Oh, sorry, I didn't click confirm. Sure. See the offset. And for the area, if it's too hard to click this area, it's okay. Here it's nicely suggests you to click area 1 or area 2, right? So you can do the modeling. Okay. Now let's see. Look, the ceiling just appears here. See? Okay, so that is how to do it with the line cursor, right? But if you're not satisfied with this one, just clear the whole area. If you want a circle one, the same. Look, this circle is too over, right? Over the line. Too much, so we can add it. Like every data in this app is addable. How to get an account? Good question. Like, you're lucky that you are in our live streaming today, because today we're going to give a 7-day free trial. So please leave your like leave the way, like how do we contact you, in the comment box, or you can contact us. Go to the YouTube account link, and also contact the marketing one email, or you can just message us through YouTube. Okay, thank you, May Nicole. Okay, so me, Lucia, will answer all the questions. Okay, so David Jen, if there's anything, like if you want to use the 7 days free trial, please don't feel hesitate to contact us. Okay, or leave your numbers at the comment box, and I will call you later. Okay. So now, as you can see, everything, every data at this app is, and then I will change it to, let's try like 500. See, it will appear to here. So it will adjust you by like it will adjust it by changing. It will be easy for you to adjust it by changing the datas. Okay. But if you're not satisfied with it, you just clear this part, like I said, right? Also, you can drag the square cursor and do this. Then you don't need to offset. All right, like it's there already. So you can just confirm it and select the area. Oh, sorry, I was wrong. Select the area, do the modeling, 300. Okay, so it will appear just like that. And also, when you select area 2, there are some other options, and you can check here. We can add a light slot. Oh, I click. See, it's here. So it means you click the wrong area. Undo it. Then click the middle one. So it means that we should add a light slot here. See, there's a yellow square, like shiny one square inside. So it means you add it in the right place. And I accidentally just show you how to add the lights here, right? Then you can change how many lights you want by changing the space between the lights. And I don't want too many lights. I want like some lights. So let's change it to, see, then I get less lights, right? By changing the space between each lights. Confirm it, and let's go to the 3D mode and like the roaming mode. We don't just have 3D mode. Look at here. For 3D mode, we can see the whole house. And I was just editing the second floor, right? Yeah. And now I don't want to show the whole floor. Let's go to the. Okay, now I want to click in the roaming mode. I know that there are so many apps. They also have 3D mode, but they definitely not have this roaming mode. Cause see, it's just like you are walking on this room, like in this room, right? And you can see on the ceiling, what's that? It's our light slot. And where are all the little lights? Go to the like furnishing. See the lights, they are there, right? It just appears, but you have to change it to different mode. But normally you will, like after you finish all the designs, you will just show it at the furnishing part, right? Okay, now let's change it back. Yeah. And let's give you a little tool. Okay. And I'm going to show you the most amazing part. Not the most one, because every detail in this app is amazing. Like I'm even impressed every time that I use this app. Even though it's not my first time and I know this app already, but still get impressed every time I use it. Because you click the little icon here, the doors open. It's just like in the real life, isn't it? So this is for the ceiling parts. Yeah. And I'm going to give you a good tool. Uh, good tool in different in a good design, okay, Chinese design, Chinese house design. But before that, I want you guys to follow our account, subscribe our YouTube account, and sometimes we will post many like videos like for showing you how to use it to do designs with our app. So please subscribe our YouTube account and share the link to every social media platform you have, or recommend us to your friends who work in the same industry. Can change door design and material? Yes, it's changeable, honey. I've shown you at the previous part. I'm gonna show you again. Okay, it is really easy. Let's see how to change it. Change the door design and material. So for door design and material, that's just click a random one. There's a door, right? Okay, just select the door and go to edit. So here is the length, width, and height. But let's change it to 1000. Okay, so the length of the door is changing. But if you want to change the design, you click the middle one. So look at here. In our material system, there's so many options for doors. So it is just for single door here. And you can also click here. There's a single door option, double door option, and sliding doors, some other door, or a door whore, or a pass, or shutter doors and arched doors. So these are the designs that we provided in the public system. If you have if you have your own like idea doors, you can upload it to your own system. There's an option for you, but for my iPad there's only public because I'm not a designer. Okay, yeah, this is really good help. So if you have like any needs for you to use this app, please don't feel hesitate to leave comments at our comment box, or just contact marketing1 at joyplan.com. Okay, get connect with me, get contact with me, so I will give you a 7 days free trial account through the live streaming, only by my live streaming room. Okay, so if there's any needy, please don't feel hesitate to contact me. Okay, so this is just for changing the design. Okay, so mail nickel, if you want to change the material, so at the changing icon there's a this square thing, just click it. That's changed to this door. Okay, click it, then you can change the door colors or door material, as you can see by here, right? Or if we choose a dark color, we need to change the metal, right? And we can change to darker one. It doesn't work, then we can change the metal to the shiny one. So look how amazing it is and how easy it is. It just take a minute, like not a minute, a second. Want to see the wall direction? Decoration. Okay, we will show you very soon. So this is for you, May Nicole. Yeah, it is really easy to use this, right? Okay, so for Mingjiang, okay, let's see how do we do it with the wall decoration. Okay, let's change it to here. We can change it to the interior finish. So let's go to a 3D mode. Oh, wait a second. Roaming mode. And let's see if there's nothing on the wall. That's great. because we can just select the wall and select patching. And as you can see, we have multiple choice here. You can choose ceramic tile or wallpaper or stone or coating or wall panel or wall covering, and just click it. And there are so many options for you. Glazed tile or just normal tile or antique brick and finished tiles. Okay, that's just, or if you go to wallpaper, there are also so many options at wallpaper. Okay, but I think I prefer wallpaper better. So I'm gonna, and also mural. Okay, that's choose mural. I think I like this one. Wow, it's amazing. It's Chinese picture. Ah, but it doesn't look that good. Okay. Forget about it. Let's change it to this. Yeah, the simplest one is also the elegant one, right? Okay. So look at here how amazing it is, and it's just for one wall. And many maybe you guys will think about, then I should like add wall by walls. It's so annoying. Okay, so here at the bar, there's an option for all application, and there will appear two parts applied to the whole space, which means only this room you want to use this kind of wallpaper. Or you can apply it to the whole house. So there are two options. If you just want to use this certain wallpaper for this room, you can choose the first one. If you want to use it for the whole house, choose the second one. Okay. So that's just choose it for the room for only this space. Look. Okay. For the roaming mode, you might feel like this angle feels weird, right? Double click the little foot and adjust it. And according to my trainer, they say it's the best to adjust it to 1 meter to 1.2, and the angle is also changeable. Yeah. Okay, welcome, John Alice. App is really great, helpful to me. Free me from boring work. Yeah, it is. And sometimes I feel like this app is just like a game, like because there's so many things you can just like do it like in the real life. It feels a little bit like uh like a virtual game, but in a more like peaceful way, because most virtual games are like brutal, right? Yeah. So see, the wall decoration is so easy. It could only take you like 3 seconds for decorate the wall. Think about it, how much time it would save for you, right? So this is the wall decoration for Mingzhang that you want to see. So everybody, please don't feel hesitate to leave the comments of what you want to see, because for Lucia today, I only have 1 hour to do the live streaming. So I only have like 12 minutes left. So if there's any questions or any details you want to see me to show you, please leave comments at the comment box so I can show you in the rest of 11 minutes, okay? And please don't feel hesitate. If you don't want to buy it for today, or if you don't want to use it for today, it's all okay. But subscribe our YouTube account so you won't miss any of our videos or our live streaming or any opportunity for you to get to know our app better, okay? And also it would be kind for you guys to just share our links to your social media. And if there's any needy or any interest you want to know better uh, of our app, please contact us and leave messages, and my assistant will contact you immediately, okay? So it is great for you guys like stay in our room, watch my live streaming. And so that's why we have a special for you guys today. Any of you guys contact me through the live streaming now can get the 7 days free trial account. Okay, this is so helpful. And I think like many of you guys, if you use Planner 5D or whatever like interior design app it is, like they are not as functional as this, and they don't have a free trial to try. And as I know, like they have like a lot of for adding this accessory they charge some money, adding the door, adding the window they charge some money. So even if it's a little money, if you add a lot of things, then they charge a lot. Okay, so for today we're really appreciate of our customers, of our audience, so that's why we have this special for you all. So please don't feel hesitate to contact me to get this 7 days free trial. Okay, okay, so for I've just showed you that how to do the sketching and how to do the like the interior finish. And now I'm going to show you give you guys a really nice tool of how the Chinese houses design look like in the roaming mode. Okay, now let's just choose this one because I saw Tang Chen Yiping on the title. So it must be a very fancy house. Let's go inside of it and let's change it to the roaming mode. Okay. Okay, it's a really big and fancy house, and I think I'm lost the track. Okay, let's adjust it and see if we can find a better way to get out of here. Okay, let's adjust it to 1 and 1. My trainer say 1 meter to 1.2 meter is the best angle. Okay. Open the door and let's see where it is. Oh wow. This house is like a maze. But let's go to this room. Wow, look, it's a balcony, and they put the couches and the table here at the balcony. And okay, so if it's a big house, like if you're going to like roaming mode 1 by 1, sometimes like it's really like sometimes you lost track. Like so, it is better for you guys, especially for the interior designers. Like when you're talking to your customer, like if they're ordering a big house, look, just click the map and choose the house that you want to show your customer. Okay, let's go to this. Wow, they get 7 balcony. Awesome. Okay, let's look at this. Oh, it's a piano balcony. It's a balcony for piano. Look. And as you can see, there are so many furnitures in this house, right? And they are all in our material system. They are all in our material system. And if you're not satisfied with it, you can just delete them. Then look at here. There's a bar here, there's a control. You can just move them. It's like a game, right? Like we've tried to let a 7-year-old kid to play with this, and they're better at like better than me at this controlling things. See, it's up, down, and toward. Like how amazing it is. Okay, then that's out of the control mode. Okay, look how amazing this house is. Okay, let's go to a different room. Oh, for this room, I think it's a living room. Oh, probably it's a study too. Let's see if we can watch some TV here. Okay, no. Okay. It looks like real. I really want to sit down in this room and watch some TV. So everybody, you see that how amazing that our app can achieve. It can really solve your problems. We can really achieve the goal. One platform, three solutions. So see how easy it will make your life be and how easy it will make. So even if you're like normal people who wants to do a renovation for your house, yeah, like we have this opportunity to provide you a free trial. Just leave comments and the comment box, like contact us through the live streaming, and we will just give you a 7 days free trial by using this amazing app. Think about it, so stop being hesitated. But if there's still some concerns, it's okay. Subscribe our YouTube account and share our link to your social media and follow our social media account on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, and contact. Feel free to contact us. We will reply your messages as soon as possible. Okay. So look how amazing this house is. And trust me, it's not hard for you or even for interior designers. You guys can do better on, like, think about it, just by using a phone, like an iPad tablet or a computer, then you can design amazing designs like this. Like I don't know like how like could life be harder for you guys to like to to take orders from customers with this app? No, that could be not possible, because any customers, when you see this, they will just be surprised by the app and they will forget to like their request is anymore. Okay, so this is just a sample platform. So if there's any questions, please leave the comments. And like I said, I only did this live streaming today for 1 hour and I only have 3 minutes left. So if there's anything you guys want to see, please leave comments at the comment box and I will show you, okay? Okay, so now we've shown a lot of things, right? And I know, like, probably 3D mode and roaming mode is not enough for you guys, and because we think ahead of you. So I know that designers also need to like rendering your designs for the customers or for the company. Look at here, we've all got it prepared. So you choose. Let's just choose this one. Okay, look at here. At the upper bar, there's sketching, interior finish, and the furnishing. And at the lower section, there's advanced function. You can take a field record, which means you can do a video. You can shoot a video by in a roaming mode in this app. And also you can do the effect picture, can just help you to rendering your designs for you. And just move this little camera here and adjust it. Adjust it and then take a picture. And look at here, we even have natural day, warm day, cold day. So you don't need to like do it in different colors if you want to do amazing designs for your customer. Okay, let's click natural day. And see, all of these bars are adjustable, and you can even change like what time it is and how the sunlight gonna appears on your house and what season it is, like how thoughtful it is. Now that's rendering the picture. Look, it only take me like a minute or two. So that's wait for like when you are waiting for this, you can just do other things and then we'll go back and check, okay? And for here, and we've noticed that at the rendering picture, there's an option for like sunlight, right? Okay, let's change it to 3D mode because it could be easily to change, like to check the sunlight in vividly by using this app. I believe there's no other apps can do things like our app. Okay, I want to see, like, if I want to see certain room, it is okay. You can just choose party and choose the area, which room you want to be. And it's just so easy. Look at that. Okay, now it's 2 minutes and let's check the effecting pictures. Is it ready yet? Look, it's ready. So you can do other things at the same time and just leave it there for 1 or 2 minutes. And look, there are 3 different types of rendering pictures. Just showed it to you. So you no longer like drawing and exporting pictures anymore. 3 different types of pictures, and look how good quality it is. And even the sketching part, see like how amazing it is. And even the for the glass, like I want to zoom in that so you guys can see it. You see the mosaic on the glass, like how amazing it is. I don't believe that the other app could do it the same. Okay, and you can just save it to your album. So just like I said,
oh, I'm so sad. Now it's time for me to leave the live streaming because it's already past 1 hour. So, guys, it's time to say goodbye. But still, if you have any interests for today's live streaming, we will do another one at the afternoon at 3 p.m. So, if there's any interest, please stay in our account, subscribe our YouTube account, and follow us in social media, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. And feel free to contact us because if you contact us at the 3 p.m. live streaming, you can still have a chance like to leave comments and contact us for a 7 days free trial account. So please don't feel hesitate about it. If you have any interest, for those guys you still have any concerns, you can come and watch our live streaming. Okay, don't miss our live streaming, and love you, and thank you for staying in the room with me, and bye bye, see you next time.